Hey you guys! Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this new website called Nearpod. Okay, so this is your can-dos and must-dos for this week. And you're just going to click on this link and click here. And it'll open up a new tab for Nearpod. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to type in your name. I would like for you to put your first and last name just so that I know who you are because I've got multiples in both of my classes. So I'm going to put my first and last name here, and then you're going to hit join session. From here, it's going to take you to the lesson. It's pretty easy. 1- and 2-step multiplication and division problems. And you're just going to click through it about the activity. It tells you what our standard is that we're working on. It says first you'll do the practice exercise and then you will take a short quiz. So these are the instructions for the practice. You just keep clicking this arrow over here. You're going to do the practice, and up here it tells you match each candy scenario with its total number of pieces. So you're actually going to have to do this work, okay? If you need the menu, it's right here. It should say your name right here instead of mine, and if you need to exit for any reason, it's right here, okay? Keep clicking this arrow. Okay, now you're going to take a short little quiz. You'll click the arrow, and it's going to pull up the quiz. You're going to have your questions up here. You're going to select your answer, hit next, and then once you are done, you'll click on the blue arrow. That takes you to the second question. Click on the blue arrow, third question, and then you hit submit. If you didn't answer any questions like I just did, it'll tell you, wait, there are some questions that are unanswered. So then if you hit review answers, it'll go back. Don't submit it unless you have answered all of them, okay? So once you're done, you'll hit submit. And then I didn't answer any of the questions, so it's telling me 0 out of 3. So it'll tell you how many did you get right, how many did you get wrong. And for me, it tells me that I didn't do any of them, so none of them were answered. But that's because I didn't want to give you the answers. Alrighty, and that is it. That is Nearpod. It is super easy. At the end, you can take a small little poll to let me know how you feel like you did. And then once you're done with that, you'll hit submit. It goes to the end, and that's it. You are all done.